Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to check the file is empty or not in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. Python file check empty or not.py. When I click enter, notice this file is not empty. What file? This demo.txt file is not empty. Now I am deleting this demo.txt. Save this file. Save this file. Now let's check here. Python empty. See, this file is empty. Demo.txt file.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials. And here the Python tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Now the next step, I am adding one new Python file called file check empty or not.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is, notice in my folder there is demo.txt file. Let's open the text file. If you notice in this demo.txt file contains some data, which means this file is not empty. So I want to check programmatically in Python to check this demo.txt file is empty or not. So for that, first we need to import OS. When we are dealing with file handling, we need to import OS module. Then if condition, if os.path.getsize. What is getSize here? GetSize returns the size of a file. So what file we have to add? Demo.txt file. txt file double equals to 0. If it's 0 means I want to print the file is empty. The file is empty. Else part. In the else part, if the file is not empty, I want to print the message is not empty. Is not empty. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view. Click terminal. And here we got the terminal at the bottom. Now let's check the final output of our application. Python file check empty or not.py. When I click enter, notice this file is not empty. What file? This demo.txt file is not empty. Now I am deleting this demo.txt. Save this file. Save this file. Now let's check here. Python empty. See, this file is empty. Demo.txt file. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to check if a file is empty or not in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.